Welcome to a unique opportunity nestled in the heart of Melinda Heights, Rancho Santa Margarita, California. We are excited to introduce 76 Paseo del Sol,
a one-bedroom, one loft, and two baths.
within the welcoming Cabo Vista community. This property, part of a probate sale, is about to hit the market, offering untapped potential and space awaiting your personal touch. This home spans 1,110 square feet with ceilings that open up the space, creating a grand atmosphere designed with no one above or below. It ensures privacy and serves as a blank canvas for your imagination and creativity. If you're someone who loves to customize and personalize, this property is calling your name. It's ready for some tender love and care to transform it into your ideal space. From the master suite to every corner of the home. Equipped with direct access garage and modern plumbing, the possibilities are endless. Step outside 76 Paseo del Sol to discover what Cabo Vista community has to offer, including a private pool, spa, and ample guest parking. You'll also enjoy access to a wide range of amenities in Rancho Santa Margarita, all with no Miller's tax. This probate sale is priced for a fast transaction, offering an incredible opportunity to invest in a property with vast potential. Be the first to bring your vision to life at 76 Paseo del Sol. Contact us today to stay informed ahead of the curve. Thank you for your interest in 76 Paseo del Sol. Don't miss out on this chance to unlock the potential of this promising property. Subscribe and reach out to be the first in line for this exciting opportunity. Together, let's turn this house into your dream home. Thank you for watching. Andres can help. Have a great day.